Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now I am doing 10th class SSC Previous Years questions. 7 chapters I have completed. Now I am doing 8th chapter, similar triangles, and in this 2 marks questions. So first question is, Madhavi said all squares are similar. All squares are similar. Do you agree with her statement? Do you agree with her statement? And justify your answer. So first, what are similar figures, children? Similar figures have their corresponding angles equal and corresponding sides proportional. So actually this is the property of similar figures. Any either triangle or a quadrilateral, or any figure, any pentagon, anything. It is similar in the sense what? Its corresponding angles. The both, if two figures are there, both of their corresponding angles should be equal and corresponding sides should be proportional. Proportional means what? Example I will tell you. Suppose you have got 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8. 2 by 4 becomes 1 by 2, 3 by 6 becomes 1 by 2, 4 by 8 becomes 1 by 2. So all of them are ending with 1 by 2. So this is called proportionality. When on simplifying the ratios, if you are going to get the same answer, then we will be saying that they are proportional. So here what we are saying, that these figures are when their corresponding sides are proportional. You need to say that the corresponding sides are proportional. The corresponding angles are equal and the corresponding sides are proportional. So this is the meaning of similarity. Now squares. What are squares? All squares are regular polygons, and all regular polygons have their corresponding angles equal and corresponding sides proportional. Hence, I agree with Madhavi's statement. This is the answer, children. Please copy. Now, the next one. Now, the second one is, Draw a line segment 7.3 centimeters. Draw a line segment 7.3 centimeters and divide it into 3 into the ratio of 3:4. So in 3:4 ratio you have to divide. So I'll try my level best to do this construction by using the instruments. But of course 7.3 centimeters line segment exactly I cannot do. So I'm just drawing one line segment. Let me name it as A and B. Let us suppose that this is 7.3 centimeters. Next, what I need to do, I have to draw a ray, a X-ray, making an acute angle with A. After drawing A X-ray, the ratio is 3:4. That means 3 plus 4 is 7. So, 7 points, equal points I have to draw. That can be drawn by using a compass. So, I'll try my level best, children, with this. This is the compass. By taking equal measures from A with some radius, one arc here, again with here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of course, I need this little bit more. Let me extend this. So how many? We are not supposed to disturb this, children. Compass we are not supposed to disturb. So I have got how many points? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I need one more. This is center 6 and this is center 7. So I have got 7 points. This is A1, or let me call this as P1. Points, no, there P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7. Then what you need to do, you have to join P7 and B. You have to join P7 and B. After joining this, the ratio is 3:4. So, exactly at the third point, that is A3, P3, here you have to draw a line parallel to this. How will you draw parallel lines? You have got set squares in your compass box, children. So these set squares will be having the perpendicular edges. You need to put the perpendicular edges like this. Perpendicular ones should keep coincide with each other, so that you will be getting a straight line. So you keep like this. So first let me keep this in this way, and this should attach it here. So little bit up I am taking like this. Now I need to pull my right hand up to P3. So here let me go a little bit to this side because I am crossing that line. So here let me go like this up to P3. So this is the line P3. So now again I will be doing, children, because I have missed it. This one I have missed. So let me join like this and pull it in this way till P3. So this is P3 point I have got. So I should remove this. Then I should join these two. So this is, let me call this point as B dash. So these two are parallel lines that I have drawn. And this is dividing it in 3:4 ratio. So either you use two set squares in this way, children, perpendiculars either like this or this longer edge, you can join them in this way. In case if you find it difficult to join them like this, you can take one set square and one scale and join them and pull you have to hold the scale and you have to move it like this. So accordingly you have to keep in which direction. Suppose you want to you have to hold the scale with the left hand, keep it like this and you move it like this to get the parallel line. So this you should know by this time already. You might have known about it, children. So this is about how to do this problem, how to do the parallel lines I have told you. Now let me talk about the steps of construction. What are the steps? First point, draw AB is equal to 7.3 centimeters. Second point, draw AX ray making an acute angle at A. And third point, locate points P1, P2, P3, so on up to P7 such that AP1 is equal to P1, P2 is equal to P2, P3, so on is equal to P6, P7. Then fourth point, join P7 and B. Next, fifth point, draw P3B dash parallel to P7B. Sixth one, B dash divides AB in 3:4 ratio. Now let us prove it. Is it really true? Let us prove it. In triangle you have got A P7B, A P7B, P3B dash is parallel to P7B. Therefore, you know BPT, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, it divides the other two sides in the equal ratio. So, A P3 by P3 P7 is equal to AB dash by B dash B, that is equal to A P3 1 2 3 parts by P3 P7 1 2 3 4 parts. Hence, proved. We write it as proved. We have proved that the point is in 3:4 ratio. So, please copy this, children. This is your construction. Now, what I have done, carefully observe what I did and do it in that way, you will be getting. Now, let us see the third problem. Write the similarity criterion. The similarity criterion by which the given pair of triangles are similar. This is the question. You have got two triangles given to you. So, this will be one triangle and this is another triangle. They have named this as A, O, B and C and D. And the measures are given 3 and 6, 2.5 and 5. So, in which way the two triangles are similar, they are asking. So, in triangle AOC and triangle BOD, in these two triangles, AO by OB is equal to 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. CO by OD is equal to 2.5 by 5. Means to remove this point, keep a 0, the point will be gone. 25 ones are 25 twos are 1 by 2. That means what? AO by OB is equal to CO by OD. And also, what can you say? Also, angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. Why? They are vertically opposite angles. These two angles are equal. Therefore, triangle AOC is similar to triangle BOD basing on side angle side property. They are asking the criteria. Criteria is yes criteria. So, I hope I am clear, children. Please copy it. This is third problem. Now, we'll see the fourth one. Fourth problem. Srivani walks 12 meters due east and turns left and walks another 5 meters. How far is she? How far is she from the place she started? This is the question. So, what happened? Srivani walks 12 meters due east. Suppose this is point A. From here, she has traveled. This is east direction. 12 meters. And here she has taken a turn to the left side and she has traveled to A, B, C, 5 more meters. Now, what is her distance from the original position? That means what is AC you need to find out. So, in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square because of Pythagoras theorem. So, 12 square plus 5 square, 144 plus 25, 169. So, what is AC? Root 169, that is 13. Always we have to take positive for the values here. So, what is that distance that is she has traveled? So, how far is she from the place she started? So, the distance traveled. The distance traveled from A to C is equal to 13 meters. This is the answer for this problem, children. This is the fourth one. Please copy. Now, fifth problem. Now, what is fifth problem? Let us see. Draw the diagram corresponding to basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem. This is also called BPT, also called Thales theorem. So what does BPT says? It says that if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, it divides the other two sides in the same ratio. So if you have drawn one triangle like this, triangle, Let me consider it as A, B, C. A, B, C. Suppose if there is a line DE which is parallel to BC in such a way that, see, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle in such a way that it divides the other two sides in the same ratio, then we call it as BPT theorem. So, here in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC and AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. In this case only you can prove this basic proportionality theorem. Since they have asked you only to prove, to draw a diagram, this is quite enough, children. Draw the diagram. That's all. Now, sixth one. It is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. It is true. It is true to say that BC by DE is equal to AB by EF. Actually, it should be is it true, not it is true. Is it true to say that BC by DE is equal to AB by EF? Justify your answer. So you have two triangles, children. Let me draw one triangle ABC and another triangle DEF. ABC and DEF. What have they given? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. We know that when two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore, AB for corresponding, the corresponding sides of a side of AB is DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF. But what is given? But it is given that BC by DE is equal to AB by EF. Did you get that? BC by EF you should get, not DE. AB by DE you should get, but not EF. So, BC by EF they have given. So, but it is given that BC by DE is equal to AB by EF. So, therefore, it is a wrong statement. Write down this, children. This is sixth one. Copy this. Now, seventh problem. In the given figure, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. Then find the value of x. Find the value of x. So the figure is like this. This is A, B, C and D, E. This is 5 centimeters. This is x. This is 3 centimeters. This is 6 centimeters. Now, what is given? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. This is given to us. When two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are equal, proportional. So here, since they started with the triangle ABC, first you have to take the side of, in the numerator, triangle ABC side, in the denominator, triangle ADE side. So, AB by AD is equal to BC by DE is equal to AC by AE. Now, in this case, we need not worry about this. We will be taking BC by DE is equal to AC by AE. What is BC? X by DE is 5 is equal to AC. AC means what? 3 plus 6. AE plus EC by AE 3. So, x by 5 is equal to 9 by 3. 3 ones are 3 threes are. X by 5 is equal to 3. So, what is x? 3 into 5, that is 15. Therefore, x is equal to 15 centimeters is the answer. So, please copy this, children. This is 7th problem. Now, 8th one. In triangle PQR and triangle XYZ, it is given that triangle PQR is similar to triangle XYZ. Angle Y plus angle Z is equal to 90 degrees and XY is to XZ is equal to 3 is to 4. Then find the ratio of sides of triangle PQR. Okay, now you have got two triangles, children. One is triangle PQR and triangle let me take here x, y, z. So here also I'll take the names P, Q, R. Why did I take the values like this? Because they have given that angle y plus angle z is 90 degrees. These two sum is 90 degrees. Then definitely angle x will be 90 degrees. So it is a right angle triangle. If it is a right angle triangle, definitely this also will be right angle triangle because they have given that triangle PQR is similar to triangle XYZ. This is given to us. So if one is right angle triangle, definitely the other also is right angle triangle. Now what did they give? XY is to XZ is equal to 3 is to 4. That means XY by XZ is equal to 3 by 4. So if it is 3 is to 4, we can even consider first we need to find out what is YZ. Also let XY is equal to 3x, XZ is equal to 4x. So XY 3x, XZ 4x. So what is YZ is equal to root of what you can write 3x whole square plus 4x whole square. That means root of 9x square plus 16x square root of 25x square, that is 5x. So this becomes 5x. So we will be saying that xy is to xz is to yz is equal to 3 is to 4 is to 5. So xy means pq is to xz means pr is to yz means qr also equal to 3 is to 4 is to 5. Why? Because triangle PQR is similar to triangle XYZ. This is the answer, children. Please write down this. This is 8th sum. Now we will see 9th sum. If in triangle DEF AB and C are AB and C are the midpoints of EF, FD, DE. EF, FD and DE respectively. If the area of triangle DEF is equal to 14.4 centimeters square, Then find the area of triangle ABC. So you have got a big triangle DEF. Now A is the midpoint of EF, B is the midpoint of EFD, C is the midpoint of DE. Now, when these midpoints are joined, you have got area triangle ABC. So you need to find out what is area of triangle ABC. We know that area of triangle triangle ABC. We need to find out area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is equal to 1/4 of area of triangle DEF. That is 1/4 into 14.4. So 4 3s are 12. Sorry. 4 6 are 24. That is 3.6. This one. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is equal to 3.6 centimeter square is the answer. Okay, children. Please copy this. Copy this, children. This is 9th sum. Now with this, I have completed 2 marks questions of similar triangles. We will be seeing 4 marks questions in the next class.